Hey Queen, welcome back to the Queen Styles, and if you're new to my channel, hey sis, hey. So in today's video, we are going to be learning how to do the invisible crochet method, well at least the way I do it. So of course you want to start off with freshly washed hair. This is the braiding pattern that I use. I use this braiding pattern because it's very important that your braids don't go all the way back. So what I do is do 5 braids in the front on each side, and then I do 2 horizontal braids. I continue with doing regular braids in the back. I just do like 4 big old braids in the back. The back is not as important as the front, and when you do it this way, it just gives you the versatility to be able to do the side part, middle part, or the no part, whatever you want to do. But it gives you the flexibility to be able to choose how you want to style your hair. So the hair that we're going to be using, of course, it's a FREETRESS beach curl in a 12-inch in color 1B. I bought 5 packs, but I only used 4. Now this is synthetic hair, so I do not expect to keep this in for a long period of time. This is just a temporary hairstyle for about a week. So yes, it does shed, and yes, it does tangle because it is synthetic hair. So just expect that to happen if you're going to do this hairstyle. So what I did was did regular crochet in the back, and in the front I'm going to show you how to do the invisible crochet method. First thing you want to do is crochet the hair in with your latch hook. And now what I like to do is use my pointer finger and my thumb to like tease the hair a little bit before I pull one strand through. And that's basically the technique. Now the only reason why I tease it is because I want to make sure that the root part is messy. Like the messier it is, the better it blends and looks more natural. So here's a slow-mo of me doing it again. I just crochet the hair in. I use my pointer finger and my thumb and put it through the loop and just make sure that I tease the hair, and then I just take one strand and pull it through. And that's the technique that I've been using for the invisible crochet method. Now remember, the messier the roots are, the better. You don't want to make this a neat install in the front. The front is where it needs to be messy, so that way it blends and looks natural. I'm also going to show you another technique that I use to make it even more natural. And as you can see, just from doing my technique, it already looks natural, but I'm going to take it a bit further because when the wind blows, you're going to be able to see my braids. So you're going to take a thin piece and crochet it in the front and do the same exact technique. So instead of it being a regular size piece, you're just going to take a thinner piece and do the same exact thing. As you guys can see, it's so messy right now, and that's what we want. We want the mess. Okay, and what you want to do is crochet those little pieces all in the front of your braids, and I'm going to show you what to do next after you crocheted it all in. So now all you're gonna do is just cut the hair. You're gonna cut it really short, but you're only cutting the front pieces that you just installed. And now the next step is just you're gonna take a razor and you're going to just tease the hair with the razor. It's just going to make it a little bit more blended and it's going to be seamless. Now I want you to look at the difference between the T side and the side that I did not even crochet the front with. Look how natural and seamless it looks. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and that's basically the technique of how I achieved a natural looking crochet, and that's the technique of the invisible crochet method. Now what I like to do is go the extra mile and just part my hair where I'm going to style it and tease that parting, making sure that it looks seamless. The more you tease, the better it looks. The older it is, the better it looks. Just remember that. Now we're on to the fun part, shaping the hair. So what I like to do is just cut in a downward motion. You don't want to cut blunt, you don't want to cut straight across, you just want to cut in a downward motion. And that's basically what I did to achieve this hairstyle. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you liked this video, if you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys like this video and share it with a friend who needs to learn this technique, because sis, we're not gatekeeping over here. So share with a friend, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, one more thing is you can use a pick if you want it bigger. You just use a pick to pick it out and fluff up the curls, make it look bigger, and yeah, the bigger the better.
Check up on it, ride it, flown it.